Hello, how are you doing today? So today we'll be talking about how you can create your Instagram Reels video. So Instagram's Reel itself has some kind of editing features in it. If you go to Instagram and you click on Reels, you can simply make some kind of editing on your Reels, okay? As you've already known that Reels can help you to get followers very well, especially if you create nice Reels, okay? Nobody will come into your Instagram page, nobody will come into your social media account to buy. Nobody is ready to just come up to buy. What people need is value, okay? Let's now say you used to create Reels that is related to how they can take care of their skin, or you used to make quick Reels. If you are somebody that is selling health products or you are selling beauty products, you can just quickly show them how you mix a skincare product, okay? If you are a fashion designer, you can simply quickly show them, because Reels, with Reels you can only create videos that are just 1 minute long, so with that, you want to make sure you think about how you want to edit that video that it will not pass 1 minute, okay? That is 1 minute is 60 seconds, right? So that means if you are a fashion designer, you want to quickly show them how they can maybe tie gele, okay? Or you want to quickly show them how they can wrap their wrapper. Maybe there is a style of wrapper style, maybe so many people does not know how to wrap the wrapper, then you can show them how to do that. Or you can just quickly explain to them that, okay, this kind of style, if you come to my shop, this is the way I take care of this kind of dress, okay? You can also make a video to criticize what some other fashion designers are doing that is not correct. So just come up with great ideas, okay? And I usually say Google is your friend. Go to Google, search for how to create quick Reels about fashion accessories, how to create quick Reels about pro mixing, how to create quick Reels about, there are two ways of editing Reels video. Okay, one is inside the Instagram application itself, then the next one will be with an external editor. Okay, we have some free editors that you can use to quickly edit your Reels, okay? So right now I will go into Instagram, I will shoot a very short video of myself talking, then I will explain how you can edit that kind of video on your Instagram. If you want to add music to your video, you can do that on Instagram. It's not a problem. You can also remix what somebody did, okay? If somebody if somebody created a video and you think you like what or the music they play in the video, you can just click on the music and you will remix the video. So those are the things we want to talk about now. So right now we'll be going to our Instagram, then I will explain further, okay? So right now we are on Instagram. There is a reel icon over here. If you want to go to reel from here, there is a reel icon. So in case reel icon does not come with your own Instagram, then you can just click on this plus sign as if you want to create a post. Then down here you will need to click on reel, okay? Just click on okay. So right now this is me, okay? And what I want to do is that I want to firstly show you some icon on your screen that you can use to create reels, okay? Or that you can use to edit your reel. The first one I will treat over here is the light icon. So this light icon here, you can use it to on the light of your camera. But if you are not inside darkness, it is the best to have a ring light to shoot your video, okay? Have a light. Let me show you my light. Let me show you the light I'm using. So this is the light, okay? See, So there is another light at that corner, right? So you can get a light, okay? Then you can get a tripod. See tripods over here. Then you can also get a tripod that you can hold in your hand. I think I have some, but I don't have them right here. I can snap them and send them later, or send some picture of them. So if you have something that will hold your hand, your camera will not be shaking like this in case your hand is shaking. There is no way your hand will not shake, because you are the one talking and you are still the one holding the phone, okay? So it is the best to get a phone that has nice camera whenever you want to shoot this kind of video. All right, so that is one of the features: light and tripod. You need a tripod. This first icon, this is the icon that will take you to where you can get music for your reels, okay? This one is the one you will use to set the timing of your video. How many seconds do you want to use to shoot a video? This is where you will set it, okay? So this one is where you will set how fast you want the video to be, okay? How fast you want your video to be, okay? Do you want, the way I'm talking now, do you want to talk fast? Like, do you want to be talking quickly? Do you want it to be fast? You use this feature when you want to show how you are making something, okay? So that you will be able to show it as quick as possible, so that it will just be like a fast forward of something of a kind. So it will be able to fast forward whatever you are doing, so that people will get to see it quickly, okay? Then the next one is collage. Most of the time I don't use collage, because I don't advise using collage, because what do you need it for, except you want to show them a picture of something. But even at that, you can just get the picture and edit it and just place it on the screen, so that is another thing. Then this one is the timer. If you set this timer now, it will count before it starts shooting the video, okay? If you set this timer, it will count 1, 2, 3 before it will now start shooting you. So in case you are not ready and you just want to maybe quickly adjust what you are wearing, or quickly check something on the screen, this is what you will use, okay? Before, you want to make sure you time yourself before you start. Don't just go ahead and click on the this icon. Don't just do that, okay? Over here you can get effects, okay? Effects. So these ones now, you can use them to change the effects of your how you look, okay? You can see that it's changing. The more I'm changing, the more it's changing also. The more I'm scrolling, the more it's changing the kind of way it's showing my face. You can see it here. See, my rough face now is getting smoother. You see this one now. So different filters, okay? Different kind of filter. You see this one? See this one? Different kind of filter. This one is so you see, see this one is another kind of filter. This is another one. These are the ways you can just adjust the filter. You can't just go on screen the way I came on screen, okay? You don't want your face to be rough. In case you don't have a makeup on, you can just use filters, okay? So those are the ways you can get filters, okay? Those are the ways you can filter the way it's showing. See, all the glitters, all the stones on my hijab are now shining because of this filter. So that is just it, okay? In case you want to select a video, maybe you don't want to make a video directly, you want to select a video from your phone, you will just click on this place, then it will take you to where you can get the video. Let's click on it now. Then you can can you see this is my gallery, this is my photo library. So right now it is showing us all the pictures in there. Then we can select whichever one we want to use for reels. Okay, so right now I'll create a quick reels of myself, then I'll quickly edit inside this video on these reels on our Instagram application. Okay, after then I'll go to the editing app to edit it so that you can see. Okay, so right now let's do it. Firstly, I'll set the timer. Like I said, make sure you set the timer, this timer. But before you start setting timer, this is the seconds, right? 30 seconds, but I want to increase it to okay, so they have even increased the time you can use. See, 90 seconds now. Okay, so I'll put it in 60 seconds so that it can be a 1 minute, so that it can be 1 minute. So let's do that now. So I've selected 60 seconds. Then the next thing is that I'll just select the timer so that it will, you can see it is asking me that how many seconds do I want the timer to read. So over here you can just click over here, you can just adjust the seconds you want it to read. Okay, but for me I want it to read this 10 seconds. Set timer. So I have set the timer, but I have not started shooting the video. I have not started. So what I will do now is that I'll just click on this middle icon. You know, I have already put the filter I want. If you want to change the filter, you can just scroll again and change it over here. If I want to start shooting the video, I'll just click on the filter. I've already changed the filter. Okay, and I have seen the filter I want. All I just need to do is to click on this button here. I'll just click on it, then it will start shooting me. Okay, so I'll just click on it. So you can see that it's counting down 10 seconds, 7 seconds, 6 seconds till it counts down. So I'll be getting myself ready. So right now it will shoot this video for 1 minute, then it will shoot me for another 10 seconds again, then it will stop, then or it will continue. Okay, so you can see that now it is continuing and I'm still talking until it counts up to 1 minute. That is when it will stop. Okay, so this is just how you can create a real video. Don't be afraid. Get your ring lights, or you can get a box lights for yourself, and get ready to show people how your product works. You can do this by quickly shooting a video and editing it and posting it here, or you can join a reel that is or you can quickly join a reel that is trending. As 10 seconds. So you can see that this is the video and it has finished shooting. So right now, if you want to download the video, you can click on here. It will download the video into your phone. Excuse me. It will download the video into your phone. If you want to put music, you can click on here. Then you can click on music over here, or you can click on voiceover if it is voiceover you want to use. If it is sound effects, you can click on sound effect, but for me I want to use music. So you can just select any music you want. Okay, so that's it for getting music for your reel. So this one is just meant for filter. Okay, you can click on it, then get the filter. Okay, this is a sticker. This one is for stickers, in case you want to add stickers to your reels. Maybe you want it to create a quiz for you, Okay, maybe you want people to answer a quiz, maybe you want them to enter a poll with you, so you can do that also. So this one is for writing. You can see as I'm doing it, it's writing something on the screen. So if you want to undo whatever you've written, just click on undo over here, click on done. So that's for that. Then the next one is this AA. It's for writing things, like not by writing with your finger, but by writing with in words, by writing with your keyboard. Okay, so these are fonts. You can change the font the way you like. Click on it and change the font. Okay, this second one is the font I want. Then the color of the font. Okay, this font now you can change the color. You can click on this color here, then you can play around it. You can just maybe blue white, green white. You see, as I'm clicking on it, it's changing color. Okay, then you can click on edit clips to be able to edit the clips. So you can see that from here we can add clips. We can reorder the clip. Maybe we will cut it into two and put one before, then put one after. Okay, then you click on done. Okay, so then from here you can click on next. Okay, then because you have finished editing it, then you can say, so it is asking me that, do you want Facebook to recommend your reels to grow your audience? You can say yes, always allow, because that's the best way, so that Facebook will recommend your reels for others. So this button, don't off this blue button, okay, because you want your reels to go to your into your Instagram post. It will look like a post. So after doing that, do you want to save it to drafts or do you want to share? That is according to whatever you think is the best at that moment. So even if you save to draft, all the editing has been done. This is one thing about reels. If you create a video, and once you create the video, you have to edit it immediately inside that Instagram reels. Okay, else you will not be able to edit it again. Okay, so that is it. If you are ready to create video, you should be ready to edit it immediately. So that is one of the ways you can create reels video. That is it for creating reels video in your phone. Okay, so the next one would be for us to create the reels video. To get this reels video, the one we just created right now, that we downloaded into our phone, then we will take it to an editing app. You can actually create a reel video without creating it inside the reels. You can just get your phone, get your camera, and create something and talk to your camera. Okay, then that video that you did, you'll now take it to your video editor in your phone, then you will start editing it. So let's do that right now. Hello, so right now we are going into our editing app. The editing app I want to use is InShot. I'll be using InShot to edit the short video we just created on Instagram that we downloaded into our phone. Okay, so let's go to InShot now. Then click on video, then click on this plus sign, this new. Then it will take you into your phone. Then you can select the video, then click on this sign. So this is you here trying to talk, okay, to the world. Right now, if you want to edit this video, so you have already created the video in your reels, or maybe you take a new video, you bring a new video in here. So this portrait that the video is in, don't try to change it, okay? You have to leave it that way. If you now want to add music on your own, maybe you have a music of your own that you already edited and you put it into your phone, then you can click on this music sign to add the music. Okay, so let's say maybe you want the music to start from here. Okay, that is where you will now click on this plus sign to add music. Okay, then you can select any music you want, or you can import music from your phone. Okay, you can import a music from your phone. You can click on this local, then it will take you to, you see there are so many musics on my phone too, so you can select any one you want, then it will add it to the video. Okay, this canvas is what kind of frame do you want it to have? Is it reels frame? So if you are thinking about changing the frame, you can just use this reels frame, because we are creating a reels video. Click on this reels frame, use it. So it's still the same because that is just the mode it is. Okay, then you can, if you want to zoom it, you can zoom the video, or you can just leave it. Okay, and if you want to change the background, okay, you can change the background by selecting anything, but you cannot change the background at the back. This your own background inside the video, you cannot change it. Okay, so the background you will not need the background in case you don't need it. Sometimes you may need the background, okay, to just have fun sometimes. Okay, so right now I don't need a background, so I'll click on this place, then I'll click on this mark sign. I'm done with this one. Then now let's say I want to add text, then I'll click on text, and I can write anything I want. And after writing it, this AA, I can click on it. So I want to select the type of I want to select any kind of font, so I can just scroll around to check for any font that is good for me. Okay, so let me just use this one. Then this word, now let's say I don't want it to be here, I can move it down here. So if you want to edit this word now, you just click on this pencil sign, then it will bring you to edit. Okay, then you can just click on this color if you want it to have a background color. So now if you want it to have a text color, if you want the text to have a color, you can click on this. You see it's still on text mode, then you can give it any color you want. Okay, play around with the colors. Then if you want it to have a border, okay, you can put any border. You see the way I'm doing it now. So then if you want it to have a shadow, you can add shadow. Okay, if you want it to have a label, you can put the labels. So if you are looking for stickers to use, once you click on stickers over here, you can click on plus sign, this stickers over here, then you can see different kind of stickers are here for you for free. Okay, if you need this arrow key, maybe you are talking about something and you want this arrow key to talk about this sentence, then you can point it at it. So you see 10 seconds again. So that is it. Then maybe you want to say follow me on so place, then you can say it over here. Okay, so then what else? Then you click on this mark sign to go back to your video, or you click on this sign to undo whatever you have done. You see undo, so it will undo whatever you have done. If you want to redo, you will click on this sign, it will redo. So it will redo. So click on here on the filter. Let's click on the filter. You can see that we can adjust the effects. Okay, let's click on effects, then we can play around. So you effects, can see that okay? Now it is at that time at this time where this line is, anywhere this line moves to, that is where you are editing. Okay, so if you want to join a reel that is trending, okay, If you are looking for trending reels, go to Instagram, then you go back to your reels icon. So over here, this is your reel. You go back to it, click on it. These are reels people have already created. So if you want to also create something like this, you can just click over here to join the music. Click on it. You can either use the audio, you can click on use audio, or you can save the audio for later. So you can say use audio. If you want to use the audio, once you click on use audio, it will bring you here to start using the audio. This is the example of what I'm talking about. This lady is selling wigs, right? She's selling wigs, but she's also showing people in 1 minute how they can wear a wig, how they can pack their hair to be able to wear the wig as if it's a natural hair. You see? So this is just how to create reels for your business. This is one of the ways you can do that. If you look at this person very well, you will see that this person is selling clothes, okay, and she's showing people how they can style different clothes, how they can wear their different clothes. Like if you take this gown, you can take this bag, you can wear this shoe, you can wear this wig, you can style your hair like this. So that is just it. It's as simple as this. So that is it. So if you want inspiration about how you can create your own Instagram reels, it is also on Instagram reels that you will get the inspiration. It is also on Instagram reels that you will know what is trending. And Instagram reels is also like TikTok, okay? Because all the features in TikTok is also in Instagram reels. So you can, if you have an idea of a way you can create your own reels, you can also have an account on TikTok and start creating videos about your products. So anyway, whichever way, get your product out to people. Let people know what you are selling. Okay, don't keep your product in the shop or keep your product in the room and expect somebody to just know automatically. It doesn't work that way. So we still have a very long way to go about how you can advertise your product to people. So for today, have a nice day.